Now that we've completed the actual repair work, we're going to go over how to add parts if any are needed for the repair and bill them. So at the very bottom, we have our work order parts. So as the service template automatically added a pump, let's say we use some hoses. So we're going to click add parts. And now I'm going to put hose. I'm just going to say 1. If this was a serialized inventory item, I'd be able to select the serial number here, but it's not. So just add and submit. So what's going to happen is my work order is going to get updated with this 1 hose. So my screen will refresh and I'll go back to my parts. And now I can see I have the pump that was added from the service template and the hose that I added manually. Now we have various things you can do here. You can push these parts directly to a sales order and bill that way. You could have a parts location in which you want to reserve the parts to. You might need to order parts, so you could click on inventory process and here directly do a transfer order to bring the parts from one warehouse to another, or to create a direct purchase order and have these items purchased. So I'm going to do a simple thing and just go to my billing. So here I'm going to click on my create update sales order button, and it's going to open my suitelet. And you can see it defaults to create a new sales order because there's not one. I'm going to select my hose and my pump and then click submit, and you'll see a sales order created. So it says success. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to go back to my work order. Now you can see I have a link to my billing sales order. Now I do want to note that it still says completed pending billing, and that's because this sales order has not been billed yet or fulfilled or anything. So I'm opening up the sales order, and you can see here where I have the 1 hose and the 1 pump added, and it pulls in the standard price level based on the NetSuite unit. So you can edit here and change as necessary. And you would just fulfill and bill, and that completes the process.